channel there. We got this channel broke. Hose looks like it slid off. Split, obviously. But thing looks sound. So we just need to put it there. Got some oil to do there.